Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Loaded with features. Features also include rear view camera, high beam assist, braking assist. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Honda Civic. Practical, awesome gas mileage, and incredibly reliable, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, FWD, steel wheels, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.